How's it going, team? Hayden here from GVI Electric. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, here for you today, a very rare offering, and excited to show you this. Here we have a 2018 Nissan Leaf ZE1 NISMO Edition. Those of you will probably be able to recognize it as the new generation 2.0 40 kilowatt hour version of Nissan's very popular Leaf. This one has gone straight from the Nissan factory to the NISMO factory, and they have worked their magic on it, and yeah, the result is basically art. This is a stunning looking machine, goes as well as it looks, and we're going to give you a quick little run through of this today, highlight some of the features, the differences between the NISMO ZE1 and your standard ZE1, and yeah, we may even go for a little ride. So alright, kick it off. As you can see, quite obviously, very different kit from the standard ZE1 Leaf. We have the NISMO Aero front bumper, lovely red accents. We've got the front driving lights. Around the side here we have the NISMO side skirts, also with the red accents. We have the 18-inch NISMO design lightweight wheels, shod in Continental rubber. As you can see, this is in the pearlescent white with black accents. Really good looking color combination for the Leaf, especially with the red. Okay, around the back we have the NISMO Aero rear bumper and diffuser, nice red accents, and even a rain light, which is pretty cool. NISMO rear spoiler. Right around you'll see the NISMO badging. Nice look, definitely sets it apart from the standard ZE1s. Cool. This one also features the black accented bonnet, which just, yeah, really ties the whole black, white and red NISMO theme in on the vehicle. So let's move now to the interior and have a look-see. Alright, the new ZE1 Leafs do have a very slick, modern looking interior to begin with, and as you can see immediately, this one has been breathed upon by NISMO as well. So NISMO red accented vents, also around the push button start there. Seats have also had NISMO treatment. We've got the red and white NISMO inspired stitching there. Flat bottom steering wheel with the red center indicator. So yeah, really sort of race inspired look to the interior of the NISMO. We've got the carbon trim accent as well. Just some NISMO details. But yeah, really well done. Subtle but enough. So being a NISMO, it's not all about looks. So NISMO has fitted a custom ECU for better acceleration and better throttle response. And driving a 40 kilowatt hour Leaf every day, I've really noticed the difference the moment that I jumped into this car. Definitely faster and definitely more response on the pedal. So yeah, quite a unique feel. Electric vehicles are, yeah, pretty rapid to begin with, but this is just, yeah, just adds a new element, which is great. Suspension, as you can see, sitting a little bit lower than the standard ZE1. So NISMO have tuned the suspension as well for a better ride, a little bit firmer, a little bit lower. They've also tuned the ABS, the power steering and the traction control. So that, coupled with the other NISMO enhancements, really does make this an exciting car to drive. So yeah, those of us that have driven even the most basic Generation 1 Leaf know that they go really well. Alright, so that just about wraps up our quick little review of the ZE1 NISMO Leaf. Tom, my offsider, he's going to take it for a bit of a drive, and so yeah, that'll be in another video. Check the links in the bottom, follow through to that. Yeah, I think it'll definitely be cool to see how this performs on the road and to get his feedback as a reviewer. So yeah, this vehicle is for sale currently on our yard in Penrose. You can see it online, gvielectric.kiwi, or pop down and see us at 575 Great South Road in Penrose. Come down for a look, come down for a perv, come down for a drive. Thanks guys, it's been great going over this car with you, and we'll see you on the next one.
Alright, so we're just about to head onto the motorway now. We're not going to do a full send down the on-ramp, we're just going to do about half throttle and see how we go, because as EV owners know, the torque is very instant. Alright, ready? Look at that. So that was actually extremely impressive, considering a lot of Leafs I've driven before just do not have that response, and that wasn't even in B mode. So we're going to check out that tune that is slightly different to being in standard drive. So on the next on-ramp I will put it into B mode. But just having a look at the interior, it's really nice. The steering wheel is actually really comfortable. The flat bottom half of it is actually a nice little touch there. It doesn't interfere with your knees or anything, even though I'm not a super tall person. But it cruises really nicely. Like, it does not struggle to even get from 80 to 100 if you had to pick up speed, or even pass someone in the passing lane. So if we go... Alright, so sitting at the traffic lights now, I'm going to put it into B mode. So if we go down to the shifter and hold it, there we go. It is really comfortable inside this. It's noticeably different to the previous generation Leaf. I just think Nissan has refined this model a lot more, considering it did take them a couple of years for, especially the exterior, but the other ones did have slightly different interiors. But let's go head on to the motorway. So the on-ramp lights are on, so we'll just, so you can already feel that the torque is just so much more responsive. So we'll come to a complete stop, and here we go. So half throttle. There we go. So this concludes the test drive and this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. We will be back with more EV content soon enough. We have plenty of cars to review. So hope this gave you guys a little bit more insight on the NISMO Leaf. Again, it's a super rare car, and if you are in Auckland, come down to our dealership and have a look at it. It is definitely a stunning piece of engineering. But other than that, we will see you guys next time.